Open a Christmas cracker. Yeah, okay.
Go on.
Yes!
We're the most. I've just got 3 extra stamps on my Cafe Nero, so let's. Oh,
another one.
I got another one. I've got a joke, I bet.
No. What the fuck?
Wait, what has just happened? I basically just got a free drink.
You just need to buy one more and get a free one. What the fuck? I got a joke. Mine was, what is it?
As if that's just happened.
What was my joke?
Oh, why is 6 afraid of 7? No,
Why is...
because 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
Classic.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, we're in Cafe Nero just doing a bit of study. Me and Hat had a little break in town doing some shopping for Christmas, as usual. Yeah, I just sent off my camera so it's ready for Vlogmas. Everyone keeps laughing at me, but I needed to send that off a while ago, but it's been a long time to get everything all together, like the repair forms. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to head off to the library now. So I am on my phone for the rest of
We need that for our Christmas day.
You can't really see it, but there's like a little Christmas iced cake. But yeah, me and Hat did some work in Cafe Nero, and now I'm heading to the library, and I think you're going home, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going to wrap your Christmas present.
That's so exciting.
It's a snow globe. It's a bigger thing for snow globe.
I wish I had makeup on. Mood. Oh my god, we need to get in it. Oh my god. I don't want to film kids.
No.
That's so sick. Me and Hat have been getting all the free samples today, haven't we? We got, when we were actually in Cafe Nero, we'd bought stuff as well, like to sit down in, and we had, what was it, like a raspberry and white chocolate, like little cakey thing.
Oh my gosh, you could buy a teddy Hedwig.
Funny.
There's a Dalek in there. There's a slackroom over there.
This is delicious. This is a Cafe Nero spiced cinnamon and something hot chocolate, but I'm not usually like, I don't usually go for that, but recently, like I really like the cinnamony taste. It's like really Christmassy.
Mixed with hot chocolate. That's what it tastes like.
That it does. It really does. I tried Hat's chai latte because I'm not a massive fan of coffee, but I really want to get into it because I'm knackered constantly. Need some caffeine boost. Yeah. So I do like the chai latte, which is a massive step for me. Oh, Christmas. All the shots are so Christmassy.
The post just said,
Christmassy behind me there with the two.
Recruiting's working in Winter Wonderland.
Oh, you got to apply. You've got to apply for that.
It just means card factory. Like just trying to make it sound colourful.
Oh, we really need to see that as well.
Yeah, we really need to book tickets for pantomime.
Yeah.
There's one. What was it? It's Snow White and Barney's in it from Bear the Baby Badly.
Yeah. I've never seen something so cute in my life. One sec. So me and Hat have just made dinner, but I just thought I'd quickly share with you a little package I got from Herbalife. I've been working with these for like a couple years now. or like the last year I'd say at least, quite closely. And they've sent over their new flavour, which is Christmas orientated, and it's the spiced apple one. So I'm going to be taking lots of photos and trying this out very, very soon, especially when we come back from the gym and have like protein shakes. They've also sent over a lovely bright orange neon bottle, and we actually have loads of these now, so me, Hat and Megan have one each, so we've got like a green and blue and pink one as well. And then I also brought lots of ingredients because me and Hat are just about to make banana bread, and we're going to film it for my main channel. So yeah, fab. So we've got some brown sugar there, plain flour, I got some bread that was reduced, and then some reduced bananas that were brown because they're obviously better to make banana bread with. So fab. Oh yeah, and baking powder too because we didn't have any. So yeah, we'll be making them soon. I just need to go upstairs, sort myself out, and then we'll be making them. This is the behind the scenes of a photo that I just took. Me and Hat have just baked our banana bread. It's looking a little bit burnt on the top here, but I actually think it's going to taste delicious. Like, it's not completely black through. So we're going to be taking that out very soon. And yeah, here I've just taken an Instagram post for a brand. It's just for a competition, to be honest. It's just for a bit of fun. It's not sponsored or anything. And I've just got all of my Christmas decorations. I bought this from Poundland. This was only £1, which is insane, which I'm going to add to my bed obviously, but I just thought that'd be cute for blog photos. I also got this from Poundland. I got these white like mistletoe berries from Poundland. I got these little apples from Wilko because this this milkshake is actually spiced apple, which I showed earlier over there. And then these little cinnamon sticks as well from Wilko, and this little pine cone berry thing. But yeah, behind the scenes of my Insta. We've got our slices of banana bread and we're just about to watch Lalalab. Do you want to do a little taste test? I'm really excited to see your reaction. Oh, I don't even know if we've made a good one yet.
No, it's good. It's still warm.
Oh, so nice. So nice. Right, so I'm gonna tidy my bed up actually. Ugh, my room is disgusting. I need to tidy it tomorrow. But me and Hattie have just watched I'm a Celeb and a few episodes of Family Guy that we had on like a DVD. Trying to organise everything. We're just gonna do like a little skincare thing in Hat's room. I don't know if I'll film it, but just thought I'd let you guys know. So I'm gonna take my little skincare bundle. Let's go. Me and Hat have just put my little scratch map up. It looks so cute. We've just been looking at each other's Christmas presents and going through them because we're so excited for Christmas Day. We're having our own Christmas Day. We haven't said
13th of December.
13th of December.
Well, afternoon after lectures, Christmas
Afternoon. Day afternoon. We're going to literally have Christmas Eve. We're going to all sleep together at Christmas Eve in one room and have it all Christmas
Then wake
Eve.
up Christmas morning sort of, then go to lectures and come back at
Well,
Christmas.
we're going to open presents in the morning, yeah?
Yeah?
Yay! We're going to have presents under our tree. It's going to be so cute. It was for us to scratch off my little scratch wrap. Aiden bought me this one on my birthdays or Christmas, and I finally put it up.
What's that looking?
What coins are the best for scratching?
2p.
Okay, there you go.
Oh.
I was thinking 20p.
Yeah, good 20p.
So I'm going to go for a 20p coin, and we're going to go scratch off the places I've been.
Oh, I do Mexico because that's a big one.
You can do
UK?
Yeah. So we've got Mexico up here. We've got Florida here. We've got Spain here. We've got France here. We've got Italy. We've got Turkey. And we've got the UK and Republic of Ireland. Right, so I'm just about to get into my pyjamas and get into bed. Well, I'm already in bed, but I need to get into my pyjamas. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I had a pretty productive day actually. I'm really happy with how it went. I've only got 2 questions left on my coursework, which is due in the Friday coming, so very, very happy that I finally got that done. and I've done some other bits and pieces that I really need to do, so good. I'm glad I sent off my camera as well. Obviously I'm really sad that the quality of my vlogs have dropped a little bit, but I don't think it's too bad because the iPhone 7 like camera quality is not too bad. My front one is a bit dodgy, but what can you do? I feel like I used my iPhone camera before I started using my Olympus, and people didn't really notice the difference anyway, so hopefully it's not too bad, and hopefully I'll get my Olympus back as soon as possible. It will be sent off on Monday, so it should arrive at the repair place Tuesday. That should arrive on the 27th, and hopefully it will be repaired and sent back to me for around the beginning of December. It might be a couple days late because I've obviously had a lot going on, but I'm obviously going to still be vlogging every single day, even if it means doing it on my phone for December and Vlogmas. I am so excited, and I'm in such a festive spirit after this weekend. Tomorrow I have a full day at rehearsal, so I don't know if I'm going to vlog or what I'm going to do, but I will let you guys know. Make sure to smash thumbs up if you enjoyed today's vlog, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow or in the near future for a brand new vlog. Bye.